going on? It's your boy Errol Cool Clee home. There we go. What's going on? Let's start over. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Errol Cool Clee in the building once again with another video. Today, this video is strictly for the Malibu, man. We're gonna do a full update on what we got going on and how the progress has been going. I know I've been kind of slow motion with the videos the last 2 weeks, but I've been doing a lot of running as far as getting this car together. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show y'all the whole gusto today. Oh, I'm sitting here thinking too hard. What I got to do? All right, no, we good. All right, so I'm gonna give y'all a full update on what's going on, what I got going, all the problems and stuff that I've hit, and the ones that we have overcame. You know what I'm saying? That's how it go in this little car build culture. So we going out here to KKR Audio. Y'all already know my man's Mike. We're about to get in the car, my way in the car, about to go to storage, get my wheels, head out to him. He's finishing some things up. He sent me some pictures this morning. Make sure y'all follow him, man. I cannot complain with Buddy, man. He was really my savior when it came to this car thing, as far as like speeding the time up and doing a good job. So far, man, I cannot complain. So I'm gonna put his info down in the description. He is the one that did pretty much everything on the Malibu. He redid stuff that people had did to the Malibu, so I gotta give him the credit, man. I gotta give him credit, you know, credit where credit's due, man. So enough of the talking. We're gonna keep it moving, and I'm gonna give y'all a full update when we get there. And I'm actually show y'all my new wheels too. So we sold the billets. I don't think I updated y'all with that. But regardless of that, man, here we go. All right, so we're in the storage. Y'all see the rallies. Boom! Big 4G. Y'all see it, man. I went down to 22s, got all black Forgiatos. So he got the y'all see it. He got the other two front tires, and these are the rear. So just to give y'all some advice, never, in my humble opinion, buy rims off the street. You know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm saying no. I just can't do it. I've been used to buying wheels with the correct offset for my car when I buy them. So you know, when I put them on, I don't have any spacing issues. These are okay. I was having issues with the rear. I went down to 22s, even though the billets I had that I showed you guys were made for a Malibu. I just didn't want to shorten my rear end. I just didn't want to do it. But we are doing a mini tub and frame notch, which is pretty standard for G bodies, especially if you're doing bigger wheels. And because I know I'm probably going to go back to 4s, maybe sooner than later, I'm knocking it out. So this car, these wheels right here, is 22 by 11 on the rear, and it's like a 22, I think it's by 9 in the front. That's what the guy told me. But the fronts fit, so we're not worried about that. The rears will not go on because the offset is a little higher, and I need a notch. So they will not go on unless I get my notch and well, pretty much my notch. So like I said, I'm doing a notch and the mini tub. So to get the wheels on, so I can put the car on the trailer and I can stop looking around for 20-inch rollouts, this is what I got. Hold on, pick it up. Catch up. Boom. Y'all see it. Got a little spacer here. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna put the spacer on, and then put the wheel on so it'll push it out more, and I can roll it up the trailer, and we can ship the car to the frame notch and mini tub guy, which we're doing this weekend. So I'm not riding spacers. I'm not. I'm only putting them on so I can put these wheels on and get this work done. I keep calling my guys. Nobody has like 20-inch rollout sitting around. Usually most of the time the standard is pretty much 15, which I have. I couldn't put my receipts went away. I couldn't put the 15s back on because I got wheel woods now, which I'm gonna show you guys. And the rotor is too big, so my 15s don't fit. And that's pretty much it. So let me go ahead and load these up, and then we're gonna get to it. All right, let's do it. Receipt out of the way. Gotcha. All right, y'all, we made it. Got the 4Gs out. Took the old bumper off. Took this one off. You got the little rust spot here. My homie Malibu Bob gave me the clean one. That's it, man. Clean rear bumper. That's the old gas tank. Got that out. Get on the floor for y'all. Y'all see what's going on, man. We got a 4.9 in that baby. 4.9 rear end. New gas tank. Y'all see when I had cleaned that up. New straps on that. Got it all clean up under there. Shock tower. Real woods going. That's it. 40. Got my man's mic in here. Knocking it out. Let's see what's going on. 4G on the front. What y'all think, man? Y'all drop in the comments, let me know. Man was polishing my covers, man. What else we got? We just piecing everything together so we can get up out of here and go to the next spot. I know I ain't been updating y'all, but Sir Mike got it. He got it. And we got the helper in here. So after we leave here, we get in the car mini tub and frame knot so I can put the rear wheels on. I got my homie, my other homie, Mike. I'm gonna put his info in the description too. He usually pretty much been towing for me lately. Great businessman, on time and do a great job. So he's gonna take it from here. We're going to New Holland to the homie Blake crib. We're gonna frame notch and mini tub. We're gonna put the rear wheels on and the paint, man. Then that's pretty much it. Throw the interior in, which I can do myself. New carpet and all that. And y'all already seen that already. But Mike doing everything. We got me even doing my exhaust. So that's what we got going on, y'all. We're getting it together. Gotta buy me a truck though, cause I gotta put everything in the Old Faithful. Y'all know what's going on. The old Honda gang. Put everything back here. I got my little tarps down. But that's pretty much it, y'all. We wrapping it up, so let me go ahead and put this stuff that I need to bring back to the storage in the car, and then I'll catch y'all back later. Rest assured that the knowledge I got can pass down from generation to generation, hoping it can be inspiration for all of those lost souls inquiring truth. This rhyme is for you, cause that's what I inspire to do. The blind wisdom is the ugly truth. However knowledge manifests itself is up to you. So ain't no time to play around, cause we got much to do. Open your mind and let the sun shine through. Shine through, shine through. Blind wisdom is the ugly truth.
So I've got you the overflow. Polished. Now we got the wire hiders.
Oh, we lit. Mike is the man.
New chrome intake.
Y'all see it, y'all. We're all getting together.
Be shiny. Oh, I'll build it into a drag car. Taking us to Union Grove.
So I skipped a bunch of parts, but we got the Edelbrock 650. Swapping out this Holly. Might keep making me spend money. All the money. So made me spend all my money. Oh, you put the what's the name in already. So pretty. Man, that look good. When do you think it have to start?
Probably haven't started tomorrow afternoon.
Yeah. All right. What y'all think now? Smooth, right? Tell Mike to stop making me spend money, man. No more money. No, I'm just playing. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be, but
Can't settle.
yeah.
Gotta build it the way you want it.
Right. You really can't skip any what do you call it? You can't cheat, man. If you cheat, it's gonna bite you in the butt. Take that off. Now I feel a little bit better. You know what I'm saying? A little bit better. I got an Edelbrock on the Chevy, man, so I went back Edelbrock. I never had any problems with it. And the Chevy ride's amazing, so I'm gonna go with what I know. And I think Mike an Edelbrock guy anyway, so
Oh yeah.
we gonna mess with that. Oh man, buddy, what? I hope I ain't in the way. I think it's pretty good. Alright, well, I done came out here twice today. Trying to go back home. Cut y'all back on when I get back to the stores. Alright. Yo, so we are back to the infamous storage, man. So, what y'all think, man? Pretty much a good overview. Can't speak. Overview. All around, you know, you dig, so y'all can see what we got going on and how much progress we have made, man. Homie Mike, he the man, man. He is definitely the man. He definitely been working on my boo real hard and making a lot of progress. I don't know where I would have been at if I hadn't been referred to him, or someone didn't refer him to me, should I say. But enough of that, man. It's pretty much wrapping up the video. Like y'all know, man, y'all know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe, my man. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get to this 1,000 subscribers, so if y'all please, if you're watching, subscribe to my channel, man. It will help me tremendously. Trying to get to a stack. I think I'm around a little bit over 700 right now, so I'm pretty close. And we going up, man. I'm gonna keep dropping these videos as consistently as I can, and we're gonna keep going up. All right, so I appreciate y'all, man. Appreciate everybody leaving me the comments and watching my videos and all that so far. I'm definitely grateful, and I appreciate it, you know what I'm saying, to the depth of my soul, man. I appreciate y'all. This little dude, man, I just grew up liking cars, man, and this is just it's in my blood, man. I can't it's hard for me to turn it off, should I say. You know what I mean? It's just a part of me for sure. So that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna put this old car in the storage, and we just gonna wait until Mike tell me I can come and check it out when he started up, hopefully tomorrow. So I'll probably catch that if I can. If not, then I'll definitely do a video when we put it on the trailer to go to the next spot, so y'all can see how it sounds. All right, so that'll be it, man. Y'all already know what's going on. Aero Coupe Cleveland, we out, man. All right.